Hi guys, welcome. So in today's tutorial, sorry, I'm going to show you how to find and join community on your X on Twitter. So I'm going to, you're new to your Twitter, can't really know anything about Twitter, and you don't know your way around about Twitter. Let me show you how you can find and join your community. So what you need to do is, this is my Twitter. Now the first thing I'm going to do is just wait here for this thing to drop, and this one here you can see here, this the search button, you can use it to search for any community or anybody. So I'm going to click on the search, and those are the trading thing you can see. To search now, you can just search for, I'm going to search for something else. I'm going to search for spot. You can see, and these are all the spots here. You can click on it, and this is it. And this is it. You can just follow it here. You can see it's very simple. So if you have anything in mind that you wanted to join, any community you wanted to join, it's very simple. It's very simple. And other way you can do is come here. Once you come here, you're going to see anything. Is it about your technology? Is it about your artificial, which is your AI, for you to be able to join? You can see okay, just click on, once you click on it like this, you'll be able to follow the person very easily. You can see it's a community post. Now just click on follow. That's how you can join them on any community on your X. So once you're looking for anything, just search. You can search for any community you are looking for, on the spot, on the technology, under anything, other design. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to follow them, and you can see this is join. Check it out. Click on join, and this is it. You just have to agree and join the community, and I've automatically joined the community. So it's very simple. It's very simple. So guys, don't forget, if you want to join the community, click here, this button, just click here, and you can find it there. And you can just find any community that you're looking for you to be able to join successfully. And you can browse here. This is for a technology. They're going to get everything about technology out for you. So it's very simple. Okay, even if you're a beginner, you're going to see people that you can follow, then you'll be able to mingle with people very easily. So guys, found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.